Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to show you how to block Facebook profile on iPhone. Write whether my solution helped you and whether you managed to do so. If you have any questions, please let me know below in the comments, and I will be sure to read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Let's get started. Go to Facebook. Then in the bottom right corner, open the menu. And at the top, we have to select the profile we want to lock. Then in the top right corner, click Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and find this setting, Profile Locking. Click Lock Your Profile. Now we need to wait a little bit. All our profile is locked in Facebook on iPhone. This method also works on absolutely any device and on iPad and on iPhone and on Android. Also on computer. So write if my solution helped you and it worked. And if you still have any questions, write below in the comments. I will read and answer. And also please subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your friends. Put likes. Goodbye.